can fly faster than 200 miles per hour. The Peregrine Falcon is the fastest animal. The bird reaches top speeds during its stoop. It soars to a great height and dives at its prey. Its stooping speed often exceeds 200 miles per hour. That's over 350 feet per second. It's the equivalent of a human running at 560 feet per second. The Peregrine Falcon also processes visuals very fast. It has the fastest visual processing speed of any animal. Humans can discern roughly 23 frames per second, but the Peregrine Falcon processes 129 FPS. Peregrine falcons almost went extinct in North America. The reason was pesticide use. A breeding program was introduced in 1972. Since then, 6,000 falcons have been released into the wild. The fastest bird in the sky can fly faster than 200 miles per hour.